another vlog, I was talking about how I wanted to be out and get the cool breeze to blow through my hair. I changed my mind. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. Still going. When it gets too cold, I'll go back into the gym. I want to enjoy some of these days out here. We're going to take them here today. Let's enter. Hi, how are you? Good. We're coming to get a bath.
Is that an hour later?
Now.
Yeah. Got a feeder's card?
502.
Have it in with the prop system. How's the day been?
It's good. How about yours?
Pretty good. Pretty chill here for the most part.
You said chilly? I'm pretty chill.
Well, chill?
Yeah.
Chilly, probably soon.
You're right about that. You too.
Let us know if you have any issues there.
Okay. Thank you. Come on. Always gotta jump on me.
Let your mom go first. Wait.
Liking your bath? Shake. Shake. Boy.
Yeah. Can I get some slide of garnish.
So is this salad?
Yeah.
With guacamole or salad?
No, just straight salad.
This is pretty big. I don't think I've ever seen one this big. And then when you go back that way, you got more. Yeah, you got more tables, and I like that they have it there. It's real nice. Huh? Can I ask you a question? Do y'all have some chips that's not so hard? All of the chips are.
Yeah, just come regular hot chips.
Yeah. Okay. Can we get some more mild salsa? Yes. Thank you. The first through the seven, or maybe the first and the seven. You can't be like rude. That's crazy. Oh, and the seventh is the same day of the comedy show. Okay, we're gonna go into Lids. Try to find a cap, either a brown one or another one. This brown one, I like it. I don't necessarily like the buckle kind. Let's see.
That's a good looking hat, but it stands up so high.
This is nice.
Yeah.
I always go with a little cardinal hat. I like this, but I don't like it. You know, like, I like the mesh, but I think I just want an all red hat. Hair braided today, and don't be talking about my braids.